We got one from my guy. So shout out to La Gran Parada, that restaurant. You actually ate there.
Fire, bro.
Yeah, this is the. Oh, yeah, I took him there. Just quick story. I took him there for the first time to La Gran Parada on Broad Street.
Is that what I asked for?
Amazing food.
Is that what
Yeah. So I get a $10 plate. Yeah, everybody knows the $10 plates is the biggest plate. You get the $10 plates, and he was just like, yeah, just get me double. Just get me like, whatever he's doing, just make another plate. And then there was like a side of beans, and she's like, oh, I don't want to. He's like, I'm good on beans. She's like, can I have more rice? Can I have extra rice? And the lady just put 10 pounds of rice on his plate. And she's like, you want more rice? He's like, yeah, I'm good on everything. He's like, yeah, just more rice. She was like, okay. Yo, that was just hilarious.
Hey, I'm Asian, bro. We like our rice.
That's true. Just basically, La Gran Parada portions is ridiculous. Anyway, so we got a question from La Gran Parada that says, what drives you to be so persistent in all your endeavors?
Wow. For me,
first of all, shout out to La Gran Parada for a great question.
For a great question, great food, great portions.
Shout out to the whole family out there, man. I went to high school with them.
We're gonna have to stop by for a food episode.
Facts.
Anyway,
you guys can send us a plate.
Send it, yeah. Yeah, send it. Fuck it. I think for me,
yeah,
this is it. Like, what the fuck else we gonna do? Like, at this point, we've invested so much of our time, and this has been so much of our lives and our identity. It's like to do anything else but to keep going with. It's not even an option. It doesn't even make sense. It would be more effort to stop.
Yeah, I agree with Murph. Like, for me at least, like me and Murph were working together for a long time, but for me, what drives me to be so persistent on my endeavors, our endeavors with Flawless and Red Eye and Josh and Murph and the channel and our friends that have different things going on. I think I'm scared of. I think it's mainly out of fear that I would potentially be doing something regular, like
regular.
Yeah, that I don't enjoy. Like, I'm not gonna, cause I talk to Murph all the time about shit like this, and I'm like, I can do any regular. We can both do any regular jobs, whether it's real estate or it's like I was previously I was a CNA. I did security at the hospital. Just mad different. I've done so many different things: restaurant jobs, delivery jobs, etc., etc. But it's like none of that stuff did anything like for me in my spirit.
It drained it, if anything.
Yeah,
always.
So with this, like, I don't mind waking up every day, whatever time, to get busy. Like, I know that we're fulfilling. I understand, something we're very aware of is that this doesn't pay, like, properly, or not even pay. It doesn't pay anything for a long time. Some people obviously take off faster than others, but to me, I don't mind building something from the ground up. And I know I believe in our quality. I don't doubt our quality at all. I know that we're on par with anybody that's on YouTube. They just probably got more bread than us, more resources, or anything like that. So, besides that, I think we get busy, man.
It's not the first thing we've built up from the ground. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, we've built a lot of things up from the ground, so it's just like another thing. And the YouTubing and the podcasting thing, it just kind of makes so much sense. It's just like right in our realm of stuff we already do. It's almost like, and any people we know around us, we know a lot of dope videographers, creators, speakers that aren't doing this, and I think everybody should.
Yeah, that's a fact, man.
If you're listening to this right now and you're one of my homies, you probably we've already told you that you should be making YouTube content. If you show me something dope, I'm like, where did you
record it?
Yeah, did you film doing it?
Yeah, that goes for mainly everybody, man. Like, I feel like this generation and the people we surround ourselves with are so creative.
Yeah, you
just need to don't switch up the routine. Just turn the camera around. That's it. You got the phone on you, just turn it around and just structure what you're about to do a little bit, and just say something in the beginning, tell people to come, to subscribe, and then do your thing, and then at the end of it, just try to say it again. It's easy, man, and honestly, as many videos as we've made, we study content creation all day, basically, like whether we're consuming it or watching it, breaking it down, like our brains work like that anyway. But the point is that there's no rules to this. Like, you can do this. There's people who do the most simplest of videos, and with the least amount of editing, you get the most views. And then there are those like us and others that do a lot of production behind their stuff, or at least try to, and then they get very low views. And then those who do amazing production and get the most views, and like this is the spectrum. You can live anywhere on it, like, and there's no rules for this shit.
We learned that so long ago though. Like even like back in the beginning when we were doing a lot of videos for Flawless and stuff. It's like we would spend weeks planning, editing, filming a video, and it would do X amount of numbers, and then we would just pull up and do a quick video, one take, on the spot. We all just like had a dope idea and get it done in one day, upload it the same day. That shit gets X times 10. Yeah, and it's just like there's no fucking rules, there's no formula, there's nothing.
There's none, man. And that's the beauty, and that's the beauty. So it can be scary, and it can be also liberating, like very liberating, that you can just do whatever. But then you gotta wheel it in and you gotta just get started somewhere. Start somewhere and just trim the fat as you go. That's what we've done. But nothing we've done is perfect. The first time we tried, but we just keep going and we keep adjusting, or as one of the YouTube gods like to say, dial it in. Just keep dialing it in.
Who says that?
He's being disrespectful. I know you're being funny. Stop.
What, we got any other questions?
Bro, who says that? Dial it in. I like saying it. Dial.
Is it like
Peter, bro.
Like a hand soap guy?
Peter McKinnon says.
Oh.
Jesus.